Good afternoon, one and all. Myself, Mrs. Pallavi Pradhan, on behalf of Vamanrao Muranjan Junior College of Science and Commerce, extend warm welcome to Honorable Trustees and Management Committee members of Rao Saheb Balaram Jnandev Thakur Vidya Mandir, Principal, Vice Principal, Coordinator, Supervisor, Faculty in charges, my colleagues, non-teaching staff and my dear students and parents who have virtually assembled for celebrating Teachers' Day. Today is 5th September. This day happens to be birth anniversary of our former president Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was esteemed politician and visionary educationist. He was also one of the most renowned writers in contemporary India. When he became President of India in 1962, he was approached by some of his friends and students who requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday on 5th September. Dr. Radhakrishnan responded, "Instead of observing my birthday discreetly, it would be my pompous privilege if 5th September is scrutinized as Teachers' Day." This request clearly showcased Dr. Radhakrishnan's affection and dedication towards teachers. From then onwards, India celebrates Teachers' Day on 5th September. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi says, "Teaching is not a profession but a way of life, that is Jivan Dharma." Thus, teachers and students are two facets of this dharma or religion. We as teachers put in our heart and soul together for bringing out best in our students. And today our dear students have come up with their brilliant ideas for expressing their gratitudes towards teachers. Now I request Miss Tanvi Borse to take program further. Thank you.
Thank you, Pallavi ma'am. Good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teachers. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day which is kept aside to honor all the teachers and all the beautiful souls who work hard every day to make sure that the future is bright for every one of us. I would like to welcome all the teachers with a big round of applause. Today, the 5th of September, is observed as Teachers' Day throughout the country. It is also marked as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Apart from being a successful leader to the country, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was also a great scholar and an excellent teacher. On this occasion, I would also like to take this opportunity and convey my best wishes to all the teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. Music is the language of spirit. It brings peace to your life. When the world goes off, music begins. Here, I call upon Piyusha to perform her song.
Hello everyone, myself Piyusha Vankar, and today I am going to present a special song on the special occasion of Teachers' Day. Hope you enjoy. तू बुद्धि दे, तू तेज दे, नव चेतना विश्वास दे. तू बुद्धि दे, तू तेज दे, नव चेतना विश्वास दे. जे सत्य सुंदर सर्वथा आजन्म त्यांचा ध्यास दे. हरवले आभाळ ज्यांचे होतयांचा सोबती, सापडेना वाट ज्यांना होतयांचा सारथी. साधना करती तुझी जे, साधना करती तुझी जे, नित्य तव सहवास दे. तू बुद्धि दे, तू तेज दे, नव चेतना विश्वास दे. तू बुद्धि दे, तू तेज दे, नव चेतना विश्वास दे. Thank you.
Thank you, Piyusha, for enlightening the program with your soulful voice. A teacher affects eternity. A teacher never lets his experience or influence stop in order to shape their students' future. Here, I would like to call upon my fellow mates to share their few golden memories with their teachers.
Good morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Anisha Subhash Gudulkar from 12th C, Commerce. Today I would like to speak about golden memories related to inspirational teachers in my life. Teachers are the light of our life. They sculpture us to bring the best out of us. They are the persons whom we respect and admire the most. Here I would like to share my memory about my dearest teacher who inspired me with her knowledge and dedication to work. I feel so lucky to be her student. I met my maths teacher when I was in class 6th. It was my first day in the new school. It was very anxious to know about the new teachers who are going to teach you for next 4 years. Some teachers come to our classroom and introduce themselves and gone. There were no formal lectures on first day. The classroom became so noisy when the teachers entered. She came to our classes with the usual sentence used by all the teachers. What is going on? Is this a fish market or what? Everyone became silent by hearing this voice as it was very powerful to control a crowd. She brought a smile on her face by seeing the fear on our faces and then said she okay. Afterwards she introduced herself as a maths teacher. At starting when I was in class 6, I don't like maths subject at all as much I like the other subject. But within 1 week attending the maths classes, I started to like our teacher and maths too. Her teaching style was so different. Whenever she used to solve the problems on board, she used to choose the student to solve it on board in front of everyone. At starting, whenever she used to ask the question, I used to hide myself within the books. She was knowing that I was weak in maths, so she used to teach me with the easiest language. When she calls me to solve a problem on the board, if my solution part is wrong, she never scolded me. She told me that no problem, it happens, but next time you have to do it. Within few months, she became my favorite teacher and I became her like a pet. There was a bond developing between us. Sometimes she scolds me, sometimes she appreciates me, but in all she wanted to make my future bright. Within the year from 6th to 10th, I experienced a warm, caring side of my teacher. 4 years passed so quickly that I never felt that the maths lecture was not interesting or boring. Throughout my school experience, the most inspiring teacher to me was my Aarti ma'am, my maths teacher. From first day to last, she always gave great advices on different things. She always inspires me. She always taught me not to give up. We should try new things. After 10th, whenever I meet her, she used to say that that's my girl coming. This line fulfills me with encourage, happiness and many more. Thank you for
नमस्कार, मी स्वप्नील सुभाष पेंडारी, इयत्ता 12वी बी डिव्हिजन वाणिज्य शाखेचे विद्यार्थी. आज मी आपल्याला माझ्या आठवणीतील शिक्षक याबद्दल सांगणार आहे. आपलं वय 3 वर्ष पूर्ण झालं की एक माणूस आपल्या आयुष्यात डुकवतो. तो साधारणपणे पुढची 17 वर्षे आपल्या सोबतच असतो. वेगवेगळ्या रूपात हा माणसे म्हणजे शिक्षक. या वेगवेगळ्या रूपांपैकी काही रूप म्हणण्यापेक्षा काही माणसं म्हणूया सदैव आठवणीत राहतात. पण आपल्या आयुष्यात निवळ हेच शिक्षक असतात का? मला नाही असं वाटत. या शिक्षकांव्यतिरिक्त अनेक माणसे शिक्षकांच्या रूपात आपल्याला भेटत असतात, अगदी अखेरच्या क्षणापर्यंत. शिक्षक दिनानिमित्त माझं मन भूतकाळात गेलं आणि माझ्या आठवणीतील शिक्षकांचा धांडोळा घेत राहिलं. मन सर्वप्रथम पोचलं ते अर्थातच माझ्या आईशी. आई ही आपल्याला पहिली शिक्षिका. ती आपल्याला जन्म देतेस, पण त्या काय शिकवत नाही. आपल्याला अगदी बोलणं, ऐकणं, उभं राहणं, चालणं, त्यानंतर स्वतःच्या हाताने कसं जेवायचं हे देखील शिकवते. आणि आणखीन बरंच काही आईसारखा दुसरा शिक्षक नाही. आपलं मूल कितीही मोठं झालं तरी तिचा अर्धा जीव सदैव तिच्या पिल्लातच विचार करत असतं. तर दुसरे शिक्षक शाळेत मिळाले ते म्हणजे पाटील सर. सर्वांनाच गणित हा सर्वात कठीण विषय वाटत असतो. असा कठीण, भयंकर, भीतीदायक विषय शिकवणारे म्हणजे आमचे पाटील सर. 7वी ते 10वी पर्यंत ते आम्हाला गणित हा विषय शिकवायचे. एक शिक्षक म्हणून ते गणित विषय फार आवडीने सोपा करून शिकवत असत. त्यामुळे कधी गणिताची भीती वाटली नाही. जसं शिकवण्यात प्रावीण्य होतं तसंच